Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is another cookbook collaboration video. I'm so excited as I'm trying a new slow cooker recipe today for you. Alright guys, tonight we are using our slow cooker. I first started off by browning just some ground beef. We're going to add some penne pasta. We're going to add some spices, chili powder and salt, some flour, water. We're going to give this a really good stir and get everything well combined. We're going to push all that pasta down to make sure that it's in the liquid. We are going to cover this and put it on high for 2 hours. Now that we have our pasta on cooking, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our collab today. Our cookbook collab is hosted by Tamara from Tamara EverydayLife. Tamara has an awesome channel. She does what's for dinner videos, she does grocery hauls, she does a lot of prepper pantry type of content so that we're all prepared in the event, you know, that something catastrophic would happen, or just the everyday stuff like where we can't find things at the grocery store now. I will have Tamara's channel listed below in the description box, as well as a playlist of lots of YouTube creators who have put together cookbook recipes for you as well. So make sure you look for Tamara's channel in the description box and the playlist. The recipe that we have started this today came from this slow cooker magazine, and it is called Chili Mac and Cheese. And I found this magazine back around the holiday time, and I was gonna try something in it. I ran out of time, and as soon as I thought about this collab, I was like, oh, I can make that dish. So I will have this Better Homes and Gardens slow cooker magazine listed in my description box below as well. All right guys, we're about an hour in, and the recipe has us give it a stir at the hour mark. We're gonna go ahead and get that lid put back on, and we'll be back once the next hour wraps up. All right guys, time is up, and we are going to add some queso. So I'm going to add about half of this container. I've turned my heat from high down to low. Now we're going to add olives. And then we're going to give this a really good stir to help that cheese start to loosen up. All of that water has evaporated out of our dish that we put in, the cups of water that we put in initially. I'm anxious to see what this tastes like. I'm not a big olive girl, but I can take those out, and my husband loves olives. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to add some Fiesta blend cheese to the top. All right, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the lid on this. We're not gonna stir the cheese that's on top. We're gonna put the lid on this and let it go about 10 to 15 more minutes until the top is melted. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer. Oops. This is what it looks like whenever the cheese has melted on the top and the queso has warmed through. So I'm going to turn my temperature off, and I'm going to meet you over on my counter once I get this plated up. All right guys, here is dinner at our house tonight. Chili, mac and cheese, and some lettuce and diced tomatoes. That recipe was such a big hit at my house. And the surprising part of it, it tastes just like you're having a taco. It is so, so good. And you saw how fast and easy that it came together. The only thing thing I did want to warn you about is that whenever you go to reheat the chili mac and cheese, you want to put maybe some more milk in there or a little bit of water, something to kind of loosen up that cheese and give it a little bit of steam so that your pasta doesn't get dried out while it's trying to reheat. Wanted to remind you about Tamara's channel below. Are you done, Abraham? My dog, y'all, he has to be in every video. I wanted to remind you to make sure to check out Tamara's channel as well as the playlist below in the description box. Make sure that you check out all of those creators. I know that they're gonna have great dishes prepared for you. And most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.